backend developer, I want to see my APIs usable as quickly as possible. And when I use descope authentication, that really makes that happen quite quickly because authentication is no longer something that I need to stress about. But I still need to wait for front-end guys to implement the descope client to be able to test out the APIs. I can't use my normal Swagger. So my submission to the hackathon is a plugin to Swagger that allows me as a backend developer to test the APIs without having the front end completely ready and polished. So here's an example site showing it in action. So here's an open endpoint, requires no authentication. Works fine. Here's a protected endpoint that has descope authentication applied to it, but I'm not authenticated. In normal Swagger, there's no way to open up the descope front end and complete the authentication flow. So what my plugin does is when you click on the authorize button in Swagger, now we've got descope flows on the top and standard flows if you want, some kind of token access at the bottom. So we'll just complete one of the flows. I've got a simple OTP via email configured here. Bam. All right. Now, if I hit my protected endpoint, I've got a token, and I'm authenticated.